what about the kind of global investment landscape? Should you look to the, particularly to the States, should you look to India for investment?
Yeah, I mean, if you go to the States, first of all, capital is freer there. There's more money, and I think risk is more on there. I mean, there's more people who've succeeded at this stuff, so that's partly why. The other thing is like there's 6 times more consumers. Mm-hmm. So if you're going to sell anything to individuals, it's just a much bigger market. I would bet with 90% certainty that an American investor, if they were to invest in you, would say you need a US first acquisition strategy. Mm-hmm. So if I'm going to invest, this company needs to be an American entity, and that's because this market is more lucrative than your home market. You don't see it very often. It's very rare. There should be more of it. It is a good thing, I think. Going back to what you're saying about the kind of globalness of tech companies, though, at the very early stage, you can have too many features, there's too many choices, there's too many geographic markets, there's too many industry markets. So generally, like companies start with a seed at like, a kind of beachhead model of a single customer type in a single geography through a single acquisition channel. Mm-hmm. And so you don't need 10 acquisition channels, 10 geographies. You basically need to prove that it works somewhere. Mm-hmm. And then later stage money will say, well, if it works there, it'll probably work, there. It's definitely good to have that vision. And you're right, we live in a very joined up world. It's a gift. If you think about our grandparents, our great grandparents, like if they wanted to sell stuff in the Middle East and raise money from North America, almost impossible. You couldn't even message each other quickly. So so it is a great time to take advantage of a global economy. I agree with that. Mm-hmm. And most opportunities, I think you're right, are in the end global.